Hey, so in today's video, we're going to be unboxing the American Express Platinum Charles Schwab. And for those who are subscribed to this channel, you guys already know 2 months ago, we got denied for the card. But fortunately, last week, we were able to get the approval. So for my non-subscribers, today we're going to be unboxing the card. And to make this video a little special, I'm going to be sharing with you why I got denied for the card. We're also going to do a weight comparison with the original vanilla Platinum card, as well as a drop test comparison. So hey, stick around to the end of the video if you're interested in that. And as always, help the channel out by smashing the subscribe and like button. Let's just get right into the video. All right, so here we have the box after opening it. And I'm gonna let you know that I did go ahead and actually open the box just to blur out any sensitive information. But I tried my best to put it back the way I found it. But this is the box. It arrived Monday and I applied for the card Saturday, so it took about three days, but the package itself was shipped overnight. I think the inclement weather conditions, we just had a winter storm here, had a lot to do with the delay. But usually Amex is really good about sending their cards within 2 to 3 business days. So this is definitely the package, the FedEx package that you guys should be looking out for. And for the box, let's get straight to the unboxing. Here we have the front of the box, and that's just my personal information, my name and my address. And then on the back, I already opened it, but that would just be a tab that you pull off. All right, and going right into the unboxing here, opening it up. Oh, actually other way around. We can see the American Express Charles Schwab annotated right there. And welcome to the Platinum, unlock a world of experiences. Can't forget about the hashtag Amex Platinum. I really like the packaging here. Feels nice and everything feels very quality. We got some accents here, highlights. But what I do really miss is the box, or the wooden box that used to come with the American Express Platinums. We don't really get to see that anymore. And I thought maybe with the Charles Schwab, we would get to see that. But let's just keep moving on with the unboxing. This seems pretty very familiar to the vanilla or the original Platinum card. So let's just see how similar it actually is. And you know, with this envelope, you guys already know, you guys are going to get to see my credit score. So get excited for that. So we have welcome to your Schwab investor card from American Express, and it just gives us directions how to confirm the card. And it also, you know, just gives us a quick overview of the contactless feature. One of the things that I do really like about this is on the back, we can see a QR code, and it'll just take you straight to the website. And I find this really easy and something nice and something really convenient that American Express offers on all their credit card. But up next, we got the credit report. So it just breaks down what is a credit report, how do we use your credit report, and pretty much what if there's any mistakes. But on the back, we got the credit score reveal. And my credit score is a 750 as of January 9th, 2021. And you know, every time you guys get to see it, and it hasn't moved much since. I have increased a lot of inquiries, and really I think it's the inquiries and average age of accounts that are holding my credit score back at the moment. But this is always a good check because you got Credit Karma and Mint and all these financial apps that will let you know your credit, but being able to see what the credit card companies are actually seeing and polling, I think is that much more beneficial. For the card member agreement, this is basically what you're seeing on the online application, but this is just paper form. And if you haven't already read through this, I would kind of take the time and just read through it. Unfortunately, my pay over time limit is only $2,500. That's not necessarily my spending limit. That is just for big purchases if I wanted to incur interest. I think my spending power is over $5,000 on this card. It's not anything too crazy. Usually as you have more history of paying back bigger amounts or a bigger credit limit, this pay over time limit will increase as well. And for the Visa cards or Chase cards, it's going to be your credit limit increase. On the back, we just have how the rates and fees work, the annual memberships, late payments, and any cash advance fees. If you want to take a second and pause it and just read over it, but just know that you can always access this online after you apply for the Amex card as well. Here is part 2 of 2. How your American Express account works. It's just literally a book. It's pretty long. It gives you instructions for everything, even like changing your billing address, which I feel is pretty intuitive. And at any point, if you are kind of confused, you could just give the Amex number on the back of your card a call. The Platinum cards do have a different line of customer service, and they've always been great. So really, I wouldn't take the time in reading over this. It's basically just a breakdown of how to use your card and more agreements. And then we have summary of additional benefits. These are going to be your travel related benefits such as baggage insurance, car rental loss and damage. And we also have trip travel delay insurance, trip cancellation and interruption insurance, as well as extended warranty, return protection, and purchase protection. These are great protections that not many people use, fortunately, actually. However, if you ever have to use any of these, they are awesome. And just recently, I did a video covering how I was reimbursed $500 for losing a GoPro Max. So if you're interested in that, definitely go check that out. And this is just the last sheet in the stack, just tells us a supplement to the card member agreement, basically breaking down the bonus, the appreciations, and everything. But the back is blank. Oh, actually, this is the last sheet. It's a little pamphlet style, and it just breaks down the additional benefits with the American Express Charles Schwab Platinum Card. So moving on into the bottom part of the box, we have, ooh, fancy, ooh, we have kind of postcard style information templates, I guess. But first up, we have your key to endless exploration, and this just breaks down the basic benefits that come with this card. And just to emphasize, with the Charles Schwab, you're going to be getting the same benefits as the original or vanilla platinum card. The only real difference is that you can transfer your points to your Charles Schwab account, where basically a cash back rate of 1.25 compared to the terrible cash back rate of 0.6 on the original card. So that's the only added benefit you're going to have, and also the added design effect of Charles Schwab if you like that exclusivity. But all these benefits are going to be the same, like the $200 annual Uber credits, the $100 Saks Fifth Avenue credit, Priority Pass, Hilton Honors Gold status, and Marriott Bonvoy Gold Elite status, as well as your PayPal credits until June. And you just got to keep your eyes out for the targeted offers that come with the card. And the rest of the postcards, I just want to call them postcards because I think these are actually pretty decent pictures, and they put a decent amount of time into putting these pictures together, I feel like. But they're just going to be a breakdown and a more detailed explanation of how you can get the benefits that come with the card. So here it's just telling us about the Global Dining Collection, the Platinum Card Concierge. I'm not going to take too much time going over these benefits because if you are interested in that, I do have another video covering the American Express Platinum Card review. Definitely give that a second look if you are more interested in a detailed breakdown. But this is an unboxing video, and I really want to see if the two cards weigh the same. That was a breakdown of all the postcards, I guess. And now let's go right into the weight comparison of the Charles Schwab and the original vanilla card. All right, so here we have the weight scale, nice and fancy. Shout out to my roommate for letting me borrow it. But we can see that it is zeroed at 0 grams. And up first, we're gonna put the original card on the scale. Let's see how much it weighs. I think it's supposed to be 18 grams. Oh, yep, okay, 18 grams. And now let's weigh the Charles Schwab card. I think it should be the same. It feels about the same. Notice how I changed my name to Joey on this one, but here it's Jong. I don't know, I thought it was more cool or cooler. All right, the Charles Schwab also comes in at 18 grams, so unfortunately they are the same weight, which means if we put both of them on, it should be 36. Oh, wait. Okay, yeah, my math is right, thank God. All right, now let's try out the drop test to see if they sound the same. I think they will because, I mean, they basically are the same cards, but just for curiosity, we're going to do a quick drop test and then go over my credit and what I did differently. Just bear with me, all right? We're almost there. Up first, we got the Charles Schwab card for the drop test. All right, now we're going to try out the vanilla version. All right, let me know down in the comments which one you guys think sounded better. I will let you guys know that they both have tape on the back of the card, which might have affected the sound quality, but privacy before entertainment, right? But let me know down in the comments below which one you guys thought sounded better. I think it'd be very interesting to see what the thoughts are on the sound and the drop test of this card. All right, going into the last part, we're gonna talk about why I was denied for the American Express Platinum Charles Schwab back 2 months ago, and kind of what changed in those 60 to 40 days, I would say. I don't know the exact time, But pretty much, if I could show you guys, this is Mint. It's not the most exact breakdown of a credit score. So if you guys take a look, this is through mint.com. It's a great financial budgeting tool, not only for credit scores. This isn't going to be an accurate breakdown, but just to give you guys a rough idea, we have on-time payments affecting credit scores, credit usage, and then average age of your credit. So that's really low for me, 2.2 years. And then total accounts is a pretty good standing. But this is what affected my credit score the most, your credit inquiries. As I mentioned earlier, applying for all these mortgages really impacted my credit score by putting a lot of hard inquiries on my credit. And usually if you apply for an auto loan, auto loan is 7 days and a mortgage is 14 days, whatever credit checks you incur in that time period, the credit card companies usually won't count that against you. But in this case, I feel like I got a little unlucky, and American Express saw these hard inquiries and they were like, oh no, he's not getting a card. And automatically on the system, I was just flagged because after giving it a 30-day cooldown period, I mean, my credit score isn't too bad where I should be getting denied for this. I was immediately approved. So if you guys have had a lot of inquiries, I would just recommend a 30 to 60, at least 60 days, in my opinion, to just give your credit a moment to cool down so you're not getting a denial like I did, because these denials do really hurt your credit score. And by no means would I recommend, just keep applying and applying and applying to see when you can get approved. But, that's all I have for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. And as always, peace.